habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to Ask Louie B. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. And we wrap up the meeting. You can say something like, it's a very productive meeting today. We covered several decision points. Right after this, I will send notes from our discussion, especially our agreements. I'll send you copies of our product catalog, as well as the revised proposal reflecting our agreed pricing. See you in another meeting next week, where you will bring 2 of your colleagues. Congratulations, we're progressing in this discussion. For the more experienced sales professionals, you know that we prefer to say congratulations rather than thank you. Thank you means we owe the client. We don't owe the client any debt. We should congratulate them rather for making the best decision for their business and for their customers. My dear friends, the 8 steps in meeting proper. You want to execute your plan well? 8 steps in meeting proper. But of course, you have your plan, be on your toes to tweak, adapt, and adjust based on what's really happening during the meeting. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.